Well, here we are again. I pulled out a 999, an engine I know runs good, forward and reverse, got a good E-unit in it. Pulled out the New York Central tender with floodlight on top and several 3/16th's metal cars with 8 wheels. Now I've tested this before, so I know how it's going to do. And spoiler alert, it's not going to do that well. And I'll show you why. Those wheels spin like a son of a gun trying to get traction. This engine is not equipped with a traction wheel. So it just has a hard time pulling much of anything, really. But let's watch it run for a while. Okay, now I'm going to swap out these metal cars for some plastic ones, and let's see how she runs with those. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I'm back. So I still have the same number of cars. I've got the tender, I've got gondola, Erie dump car, Baltimore and Ohio boxcar, and New York Central caboose. Same number of cars, but these are plastic versus the metal. Let's see how this engine runs with these. Now, I really didn't notice much of a weight difference, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay. Yep, she's struggling. Still struggling. So, is it the weight? Is it the track? You've seen my other videos. I know there's a slight voltage drop when it gets over to this corner, so I am always having to drive the train. really, this is more than just that. This is, maybe this is the kind of engine that needs old 72 curves. You know what I mean? And long straightaways.